I'm sure a thought that a lot of you might be having right now is, why did the price of Bitcoin, why did the price of crypto take a massive tumble? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Crypto News channel. We're going to be taking a look at why the markets are performing the way that they are. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell, and let's get right into today's video. So right off the bat, guys, the price of Bitcoin sitting at 86,007 or 500 right now. Did dip all the way down to 84,000 at one point. Has come up in the last hour just a little bit, but in the last 24 hours, we are down 4.4%, guys. The entire crypto market has taken a massive hit. We were wiped down from about $3.1 trillion market cap all the way down to 2.8 at a certain point. Ethereum was hovering around 2,700. I want to say, let's just double check here. At the lows here around 2,700, now at 2,800. Hopefully we start pushing back up. But guys, crypto has crashed. A lot of people are left wondering what is going on. And let's take a look. The exact reason why the market just crashed. Wintermute dumped 9,315 Bitcoin. Coinbase dumped 8,375 Bitcoin. BitMEX dumped 7,993 Bitcoin. Binance dumped 5,406 Bitcoin. Bitwise dumped 5,001. Bitfinex dumped 3,751 Bitcoin. This was a coordinated dump. Again, guys, your average whale, your average institutional money, your average smart investor does not want your retail investor to win. Okay, that's why you guys follow this account. That's why you follow this channel, because we help you find gems before these whales get into it. Now, one thing I do want to say, guys, is if you guys are looking for a wallet to hold all of your crypto securely, it's one thing that you make these gains, but it's another if you get rinse, right? If you're holding on exchanges and they just hold your account, they freeze your account, that is the worst possible scenario. So I have a link in the description for you guys to download the best wallet. Now, this wallet is multi-chain, multi-wallet, and non-custodial, meaning you don't need to send a picture of your passport to verify yourself or your driver's license. It's completely decentralized. You could download it on your iPhone and on the Android. And as of right now, there are so many steals in the crypto market when it comes to meme coins and altcoins, and I wouldn't recommend a better DEX to hold it on, or sorry, a better decentralized wallet to hold it on than the best wallet. I'll have a link down below, guys. It is definitely one that you need to check out. In 2019, the Fed announced QT would end on August 1st. The balance sheet of the Fed continued dropping in August, despite quantitative tightening having officially ended, because the last round of Treasury maturities did not settle until mid-August. Just because QT ends December 1st does not mean the balance sheet immediately starts going up. It may take until early 2026 to notice that. Now, again, some more was that the Japanese government bonds came to an end. Now, this is what happened, right? The transmission was mechanical. Yields rise, the yen strengthened, leverage positions become unprofitable. Selling starts to begin, selling triggers margin calls, and margin calls trigger liquidations, which is also what we saw happen. Liquidations trigger more selling, and we saw this on October 10th, which is one of the biggest wipeouts in digital asset history, if not, sorry, the single largest day. November, we saw 3.45 billion, which left Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock's fund lost over $2.3 billion, and December 1st, where we saw $646 million liquidated literally before lunch. So a lot of coordinated attacks going on, but with that comes a lot of room to start buying your altcoins, your meme coins. And again, I wouldn't be talking about Best Wallet if I did not think it had a place in this cycle. Go check it out. There's a link down below, guys, and still continue to remain hopeful and hold your crypto. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the Crypto News channel. Take care and peace out, y'all.